Guys, today I'm doing a vlog here at Warrimoo in request for TJ Buick train vlogs. So we have a VSET now departing platform number 1 here at Warrimoo. This is the 114 Blue Mountains line service to Blacktown. V42's per set. I think it's 1 whiskey 550. And welcome everyone to Warrimoo. Look at Warrimoo station, of course, because I'm doing it for every Blue Mountains line stations, because why the hell not? Seats. That's facing towards Lithgow and stuff. Lights. They're all green. I have a theory about the green things because this is the main Western line, and I'm not too sure, but it could have been owned by a company known as Great Western, which is also a British company as well, which they did actually use. Their colour was mainly green, so just a suggestion, but it might be, it might not be, but yeah. Weird signs, platform 2, trains to Sydney, platform 2, trains to Sydney. So that's 2. More green poles. Bin, a waiting room, surprisingly, I think. Yeah. Toilets, which are of course locked. And then station sign again. We are 74 point something 96 kilometres away from Sydney Terminal Platform 1. As Phil said, the red era inside the bin, it is red. So, yeah, and that's just facing towards Lithgow. And that's facing towards Sydney. I'm not actually going to go down there because it's a long walk and I can't be bothered. And also the station only fits 6 carriages. So, just to walk up Warrimoo's concourse, very odd concourse. It's a stair, so it's obviously not wheelchair friendly. Light. So this is like ridiculously stupid. There's no way to get down for wheelchairs, but they have a ramp, for God's sake. It's very confusing. I'm not too sure. That's I think the main road. That goes up to somewhere across there. Up here is Thomas.
Are you filming?
Yeah. That's up towards to get over that thingo. And that's heading down. And that's a view of Warrimoo station from up above the actual station. So 23 8218, 8238 and 8236. Empty coal train. Bloody hell, why do they always come without knowing? I'll film it all because this vlog will be short. The red bin, sort of red era bin. See, there's nothing inside it, so it's just a good view of it. So, yeah. 4-car VSET and 4-car HSET marker. Doki, I've just figured out why I went slow between Warrimoo and Valley Heights, because there's actually a 20 warning speed limit, so temporary speed restriction of 20. Don't know why this is, but it's just there next to the 8-car VSET marker. So yeah, I thought that was very interesting because don't normally see an actual speed restriction sign near the station. We have the L7 logo on the lock if you so desire to look at it. This is just the gate near Warrimoo station. He's sleepy and needs to poo-poo. He said approaching platform number 2 here at Warrimoo. Well, this isn't actually it. It's V21 again. This is 1 Whiskey 547. V21, departing platform 2. I just had to run all the way across Warrimoo. Approaching, this is 1 Whiskey 541, I think. No, I don't think it is. V24 is the set. This is a Blacktown service. I'm going to wrap up the vlog now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.